Whipped cream dispensers are fun cooking tools and especially useful for the home bar if you do a lot of entertaining. Dulce de Leche is a rich caramel sauce that can be added to whipped cream to create a fluffy caramel whipped topping that is perfect for specialty coffee, or delicious on its own. Dulce de Leche is easy to make. A can of condensed milk is cooked in 95 degrees Celsius or 203 degrees Fahrenheit water for 4 hours. You can cook the can in a pot of water on a heating element, which was the popular way before immersion circulators became available and sous vide became a reliable cooking method. Let the contents of the can cool before opening. If you open the can when it is hot, the contents can spill out. To fill a half-liter whipped cream dispenser, scale 100 grams creme de leche into a saucepan with 400 grams of high-fat cream, and melt the caramel into the cream slowly. No need to boil the cream. Metal oxidation will create unwanted flavors and attract bacteria quickly, so transfer the unused caramel into a glass jar shortly after opening the can. Stored in the refrigerator, the sauce will be at its best for a week. Use a funnel to help transfer the sweetened cream to the dispenser. Place the canister in the refrigerator to cool down. The cream will thicken slightly when it cools. Make sure the gasket on the inside of the lid is in place and screw the lid on tight. Screw on the decorator tip and give the container a shake. To charge the 500 milliliter icy dispenser, you need 1 cartridge of nitrous oxide gas. Add the nitrous cartridge to the charger holder and screw the charger until you hear the gas enter the container. Shake the canister several times to help distribute the gas. Unscrew the charger holder to remove the spent charging cartridge and put on the protective cap to protect the threads. Store in the refrigerator until ready to use. To dispense the Dulce de Leche whipped cream, give the container a good shake and invert the dispenser upside down. Point the nozzle where you want the cream to go and release the contents of the container by gently squeezing the trigger.